I'm Maya Wilson, and today I'm going to show you how to make ginger peanut Alaska salmon noodle bowls for my new book, The Alaska from Scratch Cookbook, available wherever books are sold. This is my absolute favorite recipe to make for a crowd when I'm having guests over, especially guests from out of state, so I can showcase our beautiful Alaska salmon. Sockeye salmon is widely available, and it's more robust than, say, a king, and it stands up really well to the bold flavors of the marinade, which are things like peanut butter, sesame oil, hoisin, soy sauce, sriracha. Sockeye is an amazing choice for this recipe. So now we're going to take our salmon and put it in a nice medium-high pan with avocado oil in it. I like to cook my salmon to medium rare, medium in the center. We're gonna flip our salmon over gently. Be careful with that oil. And look, we've got some beautiful color on this salmon. We are going to just stir fry really quickly some red bell peppers and some snow peas. Once the vegetables are nice and tender crisp, we're gonna add some of that sauce we made earlier with the hoisin and the peanut butter, the ginger and the garlic. You can use any rice noodles you like for this recipe, thick or thin. Just prepare them according to the package directions. And this looks about ready to plate up. One of the things I love to do is serve it up family style. And so what we're gonna do is we've got our noodles and our vegetables in this big platter, and we're gonna grab our salmon that we seared off, and then we are gonna top it with some cilantro, green onion, peanuts, and some leftover sauce. There you have it, ginger peanut Alaska salmon noodle bowls.